All right, let's jump right into today's intraday market report and see what's happening.
So what's the move in the market today? What's really driving the traders?
In a nutshell, it's risk on. Investors are feeling pretty confident right now.
Risk on just means traders are optimistic, buying up higher risk assets like stocks.
And you know what? This whole story is being told by one single line on a chart.
That line is the 200 EMA. Basically, it tells you if a trend is up or down. And right now, the story is looking pretty bullish for a few major assets.
Check this out. The NASDAQ, S&P, Dow, and gold, all they're trading above that key 200 EMA.
Yep, the NASDAQ 100 is looking strong. It's got its eyes set on 26,200.
And gold's not being left out either. It's looking pretty solid, aiming for around $40–50.
But it's not all good news. There's another asset telling a very different bearish story.
Yeah, U.S. crude oil is the odd one out. It's still under pressure below that 200 EMA.
So you've got this split, right? Tech optimism is pushing stocks, but rising oil inventories are a drag.
And this chart just shows it perfectly. Most of the market is bullish, except for oil.
Okay, so here's the big takeaway, the one thing you really need to remember from this report.
This whole forecast, all these buy and sell signals, they're only valid for the next 4 to 10 hours.
So Wall Street's feeling strong, but that's being offset by weaker oil, and it's a short-term picture. Which leaves us with one question. Tech is winning today, but for how long? The mood can change fast.